Rita of Class 12 Science from the Congo House. Please welcome her. Participants
Hello everyone, I myself am of Class 12 Science and representing from my house. Respected judges, Principal Sir and VP Sir, I'm here as Malala Yousafzai. I do not believe on behalf of urban girls and women today. As we have heard about Wazima Pro, women and girls in Afghanistan are speaking out of themselves. But I do want to remind you what life is like for a girl living under extremism and terrorism. I heard bombs, gunfire, and explosions. My brother and I ran into the parents' arms for protection. I was 12 years old. I saw my home transfer from the place of peace to the place of fear. In just 3 years, I saw banners on shopping malls announcing themselves that women are not allowed. Muslim countries should have their right of freedom, right of education, and right of individuals. Women are not allowed for education and rights for their futures. Women demanding their rights for choosing their own futures, but in Kabul, women are not allowed for their duties. Their politics were made with gunfire, and explosion. In Taliban, I saw a gunman stop my school bus and pull my name and fire a bullet on me. I was 15 years old. Now I'm 24 and I carry a scar of 6 surgery to repair the damage of that one bullet. I believe and I hope that the Secretary Council will trust and help for the women, will stand for the women and will help the women. Thank you everyone.
So, she is Malala Yousafzai. I guess everybody knows who is Malala Yousafzai. She got a bullet in her head for studying in Muslim countries. So, well deserved from Rabita for bringing Malala Yousafzai to be here. And the next of Class 12 Science from Pakistan.
very good morning to our respected principal sir, vice principal, respected headmistress, to all the respected judges and my respected teachers. I myself, Sherman Hamzam of 12th standard, would like to present, and I belong to Pakham House, would like to present Emma Watson about gender equality. Here comes my speech. I was appointed 6 months ago, and the more I've spoken about feminism, the more I have realized that fighting for women's rights has too often been synonymous with men hating. If there is one thing that I know for certain, it is that this has to stop. For the record, feminism by definition is to believe that men and women should have equal rights and opportunities. It is the theory of political, economic, and social equality of the sexes. I started questioning gender-based assumptions a long time ago. When I was 8, I was confused to be called bossy. When I was 14, my girlfriends were dropped out of the sports team because they didn't want to approach me. When at 18, my male friends were unable to express their feelings. I believe that I was a feminist and this seemed uncomplicated to me. But my recent research has shown me that women are choosing not to identify their feminists. Apparently, I'm among the ranks of the women whose expressions are seen too strong, too aggressive, isolating, anti-men, unelectricity. Why has the word become such an uncomfortable one? I'm from Britain, and I think it is right that as a woman I'm paid the same as my male counterparts. I think it is right that as a woman I'm afforded the same respect as men. I think it is right that I should be able to make decisions about my own body. I think it is right that I should be able to make decisions about my own self. I'm going to enable if I'm inviting you to be seen and ask yourself, if not me, who? If not now, when? Thank you very much.
Well, that was Emma Watson. I guess many of you do know Emma Watson. Emma Watson comes because of movie Harry Potter. Harry Potter, the female actress, that is called Emma Watson, and the goodwill ambassador to the UN. And she was talking about gender equality. Thank you so much, Emma Watson. Punananda from the Pakham House of Getwell.
Good morning, everyone. To all the respected judges, principal, mommy, and partner. Today, I'm acting on Mahatma Gandhi National Declamation in my school. Before you discuss the revolution, I want to place before you two or one things. I want you to understand two things very clearly and consider the point of view. Then here we that I am the chairman in 1920. I represent the Congress. You want to hear the Congress. And if you disturb Congress, there will be a war between Muslim and Hindus. I please the Congress, and Congress will do or die. Bharat Zindabad, Hindustan Zindabad. Thank you.
The father of the nation, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, as we call as Bapuji, and there was Purnananda of last year of science from Pakistan.